Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this body for Hello Kitty. In the next tutorial, we will make dress and a lot of accessories for this amigurumi. I hope and you like it and you want to do it. On my case, I will use La Abuelita brand yarn and the principal color is white. You need about 50 grams, maybe a little less, but with 50 will be enough for all body. Also, you can use whatever yarn for this project, whatever yarn that you prefer, but I show you exactly what I'm used. We will need yellow is just for embroider the nose. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook, and I made a single crochet in a form of X. If you want to know more about the single crochet in a form of VX or fake X, in the description of this video, I will share some link with you because we already have tutorial explain more about that. We will need some thread, black color thread, a finer thread, just for embroider the eyes. We will need scissors. Also, if you want to put safety eyes or use felt, you can also do it. Okay, but I will embroider that details on the face. We will need pins, we will needle and stuffing. More than this. And that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this Hello Kitty. And remember, in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to make the dress and the bone, and maybe later we will make another friends. But it's the first time that I made some this amigurumi Hello Kitty, and I need know more about Hello Kitty. Also, I will use silicone hat to put it on the legs, but it's up to you because in the real life, it's not enough to support on her own. But I will show you how to put the silicone. Then, if you're ready, let's start. We will start making the legs, 2 equal legs, and on round 1, we will start with a magic ring and 8 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can close the magic ring and put some mark if you think that is necessary, because we will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will make 8 increase. In the first point on the previous round, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 16 points. From round 3 to 5, we will make 16 single crochet in each round. 1 single crochet, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and repeating exactly the same on rounds 4 and 5. When you finish the round 5 on the first leg, you can cut the yarn, make one chain just for secure, and that's it. You don't need a long yarn. But when you finish the second leg, doesn't cut the yarn because we will continue making the union. But first, I will show you how to put the silicone hat on the base. It's up to you. Okay, I tried that this amigurumi stay on her own, but it's not enough because the head is so big. Yeah, I'm sorry for that, but also putting the silicone hat, putting a button, or you can cut some plastic work, because it's the legs on the down looks better. But I'm sorry, I repeat again, it's up to you. Okay. When the silicone is cold and strong, you can continue with the next round, the round number 6, and we will make the union with both legs. I will start with 4 single crochet this round, but in the real life you can start with whatever, as many single crochet as you prefer, okay? But I will show you exactly the point that I made. I already made 2, 3, and 4. One chain will be the separation. Take the another leg and you can start in whatever point that you prefer. On my case, I will start on this one. And we will make 16 single crochet on this round. 1 single crochet, 2, 3. At the same time, I hide and secure this thread, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until we made 16 and finish this round, these legs, Then, after 16 single crochet, 1 single crochet on the chain. And for the end, on my case, I will make 12 single crochet on this leg for finish this round. But if you start, for example, with 3 single crochet, you only need make now like 13 or 14. I think you understand me. But on my case, because I'm start with 4, I just finish with 12. And this round, I'm already finished with 34 points. We have 16 points in each legs, will be 32. 1 single crochet on the center will be 33, and one in the base of the chains will be 34. Then now from round 7 to 9, 34 single crochet in each round. I'm already made 1, 2, 3, 4. The single crochet number 5 will be on the chain. Later, make sure that you take the correct point because it's closer. And you need 34 points for these rounds. Then I'm already finished the round 9, and on round 10 we will start with 12 single crochet. We just need make 1 decrease in each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and now 1 decrease. If you need make more or less single crochet to the side, it's okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now 1 decrease. And for the end, I will make 3 single crochet more. 1, 2, and 3. And we already finished this round with 32 points. On round 11, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 24 points. On round 12, 24 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 13, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. And on rounds 14 and 15, we will make 18 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 15. When you finish the round 15, you can put the stuffing, just a little. And on round 16, we will start with 1 single crochet, And after that, 1 decrease. And we will continue repeating exactly the same. We will finish this round with 12 points. In round 17, we will make 12 increase, but this time taking the front loops only. You can put more stuffing later, okay? Then taking just the front loop, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same loop, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase all round. We will finish this round with 24 points. On round 18, we will start with 1 single crochet, and in the next point, 1 increase. And we will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 36 points. On round 19, starting with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next point, 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 48 points. On round 20, we will start with 1 single crochet and in the next point, 1 increase. Later, we will repeat 11 times, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. Then continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 increase almost all round. At the end, you will have 2 single crochet more. This little difference is just for change the position of the increase. Then 2 single crochet at the end, and we already finished this round with 60 points. And from round 21 to 33, we will make 60 single crochet in each round. I'm already made 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating 60 single crochet in each round until round 33. I'm already finished the round 33. And on round 34, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 48 points. Round 35, 48 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 36, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round, and we will finish this round with 36 points. On round 37, 36 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 38, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 decrease, and we will continue repeating exactly the same. We will finish this round with 24 points. After round 38, you can put stuffing. Maybe you need put more later, but you can put the stuffing right now. On round 39, we will make 12 decrease. 1, 2, and continue doing decrease all round. We will finish this round with 12 points. And on round 40 and the last round, we will make 12 single crochet. Just 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. When you finish the round 40, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes using a wool needle. But before, you can put more stuffing. Then now you can see how to close. Easy. finish the body. In the next tutorial, we will make the arms, ears, also we will embroider her face, everything for finish completely. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. See you in the next one. Bye bye.